So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change location on DoorDash. So first of all, you will need to open the DoorDash app. Through here you can see at the bottom home, pickup, grocery, browse and me. You can see in the top part of the page the home, the notifications and your shopping cart. So through the profile you can see manage account, business profile, address, privacy, notifications, dark mode, become a dasher, become a partner, restaurant, legal. So through here your location is basically linked to your address. You may use location on here so you can use GPS to get some better offers, but it's through the address that the DoorDash functions. So go to address, and on here you can set addresses like home address and add an address there. You can add a work address. You can even add a label, something that's between work, home, and some other category. You can use current location, so you can explore nearby and find your address through there, and you can edit the addresses that you made. So if I click on this, I can adjust PIN, I can leave it at my door, I can put in apartment or suite or the entry code, the building name, something specific to that address that's gonna help the dasher when he gets there. Through there, I can also add a label and add some other addresses for work, for maybe some vacation home, and on, and you can find and add locations and edit addresses to your liking through there, and it's going to make it easier for you to get the order that you created and paid for if you make your address specific enough and if you are up to date to your location change. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.